And they're on their way. Speed Bullet draws for your lead, running in between runners Hepburn. Then moving up party outside is Scarab moving up. Yes, entry number 8, and that's Sudden Burst. As they round to the last 600, Speed Bullet in command. Sudden Burst moving up to take secondary outside. Hepburn drops back in third. Then comes Iskarab racing in peep at this moment. 11A Dugo, Anak Papato. Then down in 6 is entry number 7 and Gedi as they turn for home. Sudden Burst running at the center. Then by the rail dropping back in second is Speed Bullet Dugo, Anak Papato. With the last 100 meters more to run, Sudden Burst, Dugo, Anak, Papato, Katmei with a late charge coming in third. And finally, Sudden Burst, Dugo, Anak, Papato, Katmei, Scud Missile, and Gedi for your Pentapecta.
Okay,